Kailangan mo ba ng matibay at maaasahang roll-up doors? O baka naman naghahanap ka ng expert repair at steelwork services? Nandito ang J&E Roll-Up Door Services para sa iyo. Nag-aalok kami ng manual at motorized roll-up doors na perpekto para sa bahay, negosyo at industrial na paggamit. Our services: roll-up doors, manual o motorized for security and convenience. Roll-up polycarbonate doors, transparent, stylish and durable. Available in both motorized and manual options. Blinds, vertical and horizontal styles for a sleek interior. Roll-up grills, strong and stylish protection for your property. PVC doors, lightweight and durable for various applications. Folding doors, space-saving and elegant solutions. Repair of roll-up doors, other steelwork services, custom steel fabrication and installation. Di kalidad ang aming produkto. Subok na ang serbisyo. Para sa inquiries at orders, tawagan o i-message si Ms. Jeneth Galagar sa 0920-525-2715 or 0945-724-6874. Secure your property with the best roll-up doors and steelwork solutions from J&E Roll-Up Door Services.